Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Baked by Fatima. In this video, we are going to learn how to make whipped cream to stiff peaks. You will never struggle with whipping your cream after watching this video. So let's get started. Before you get into the process of whipping the cream, it is very important to understand what kind of cream can actually be whipped. The cream that I am whipping today is a non-dairy whipping cream, which comes in big packet like this. It comes frozen and even you need to store them into your freezer. But once you want to whip it, you measure out the quantity that you want to use and you thaw in your fridge for a few hours or overnight. Once it completely thaw, you will see that it comes to a liquid consistency and then you can start whipping. The first and the most basic rule of whipping cream is to make sure that it is absolutely and completely chilled. So, I have thawed my cream and I am going to pour it into a mixing bowl. Whipping cream is extremely temperature sensitive. So, if you are trying to whip it in a very hot environment, you need to chill not only your cream but you could also freeze your mixing bowl and the blades of your mixture to make sure everything you're working with is super cold. If you could still feel your cream is not being stable enough, you could whip it over an ice bath. One thing to keep in mind here is once you whip it, the cream will double the volume. So if your recipe says for 1 cup whipped cream, you actually only need to start with half a cup of whipping cream. And which is another reason why you need to take a bowl which is big enough to accommodate the increasing volume. I am going to start beating my cream on low speed just so that it doesn't fly off everywhere. And soon enough you will see that streaks starts forming in the cream. But these will keep dissolving as you keep mixing it. Now because I am using a non-dairy whipping cream, I am not going to add any sugar into this. However, if you are working with a dairy cream, this is when you start adding caster sugar in batches. At this stage, I am also going to increase the speed to medium-high and continue to beat my cream. And after that, you will see that the streak forming in my cream will begin to hold positions. A common mistake that most people make even before getting into the process is to use cream which is warm or at a room temperature. And once I lift my mixer up, the cream will form peaks. But these will not be stable at this point. This stage is called soft peaks and you can use the cream at soft peaks to add in your desserts like coffee or shakes. However, if you want to pipe your cream or use it to layer your cakes, you need to bring it to stiff peak stage, which is why I'm going to increase the speed to high and continue beating. After beating your cream continuously for a couple of more minutes, you will see that the cream will become thicker and feel more voluminous. And once you lift your mixer up, your cream will form peaks, which are firm, stable and holding positions. And this is when you know your whipped cream is ready. This stage is called stiff peaks. In the next video, I'm going to show you all how to use your whipping cream on cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.